So Sandor has pretty severe scoliosis, as noted here. And you were never fitted with a brace or anything like that, right, Sandor? He wasn't. So we'd like to get an exact degree. So 62 degrees of scoliosis, which is pretty significant. Anything over 15 degrees is considered significant. Sandor, do you have trouble breathing ever from this?
Not so much.
Not so much. Just really, the curvature causes the muscles to go into spasms. And so you'll notice that here, especially on him on the right side, the muscles spasm quite a bit more than the left side where, it's rather flaccid over here compared to this side. And so he likes it when we work on these muscles a little bit. And then we use different modalities to adjust, like the activator, the drop, and then his favorite, which is the Y strap, or a rapid traction of the entire spine. I'll show you that later. Let's begin here with the activator gun. Start off light. Not a lot of scoliosis in the lumbar spine. It is starting to go dextro. That is to his right of the upper part. So it stays straight until about L1, really L1, and then T12 starts to veer off. One thing with scoliosis patients too, you want to be careful that you don't want to overtreat them. We are able to adjust them and adjust Sandor pretty effectively, but in a more of a gentle manner, especially when I put him on his side. I'm not using a lot of force. And we don't always do the side posture. So we're reaching his apex right around here, T7. To T9. And then as we get up to T around 6 and 5, comes around this bend right here and the straightaway. Usually around L2, he's got a vertebra that's a little bit posterior. We'll give that a nudge. Actually, it's not so bad today. L1. Let's go L1. There we go. Very good. Get the SIJs. Very nice. A little more. Good. Okay. All right, Shannon, ready to flip over? We'll get that thoracic spine. We'll do a traditional, what's called A to P adjustment. Come on up just a little bit.
Wow.
We got a big one today. We don't always get those. Sometimes it's more or less, and today it was a little bit more for sure. There we go. Very good. Moving well. As always, we'll get into the cervical spine. Now, 3 weeks ago, this thing was like an accordion. It was playing music for us. We'll see what we have today. Here we go. Nice and relaxed. Very nice. Here we go. Beautiful. Let's give you a little traction here before we do the Y strap. Here we go. Here we go. What do you think, Shannon? Should we do the Y strap?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let me get it for you. Lift the head just a bit. I'm going to mess up that perfect haircut. You're a dapper man. Here we go. Little pull. So we're going to do 2 little pulls just to take out the slack at first. 1 more here. Everything feel okay, Sandor? Here we go. Nice and rapid. Let it all out. Very good. He always has a really nice response.
Oh, well done.
Beautiful. Yeah, you're actually extra relaxed today.
Yeah.
Under the circumstances. That's great. All right, Shannon. I'll let you relax. Take your time, okay?
Okay.
Take your time, as usual. And then,
whoa.
Yeah. It's a big one.
Always feel more energy.
Yeah.
Relax.
You felt it go all the way down this time, huh?
Yeah.
You felt it go all the way down
Yeah.
this time?
Yes.
Perfect. That's my favorite. Yeah. All right, Sandor. We'll
Yeah,
see you
thanks
next time,
again.
my friend.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, well, I tell you, because of my severe scoliosis, I've been seeing chiropractors all my life, at least 50 or more. And Dr. Richardson is one of the best. I can judge it. He kind of feels what your body needs, and he does that. So actually, I want to come to see him more because it's like a lifesaver for me. Yeah, as I'm getting older, I need more and more care. I'm in the right place.